This is not biryani.
I am about to try one of the most authentic Pakistani dishes I have ever seen.
Aroma is coming from this.
It's a giant bone marrow, melted into rich gravy and mixed with fragrant basmati rice.
Bhaijan, aisa karega?
This city has food from everywhere, but there are some dishes even locals haven't tried yet. That's what I'm here for, to show you what else you need to discover.
Hey guys, this is Kiani, and today I'm going to show you one of authentic Pakistani dish. This dish called Nali Biryani. What's Nali? Let's go inside the kitchen. I will tell you what is Nali. Let's go. I cannot go without my camera, so let's go.
The whole street smells like fresh roti coming from every corner. You pass by a bakery and there is a guy rolling dough, throwing it straight into the oven. That's when you know this is real Dubai.
Smell a chana. Oh, smells so good. All right, let's go and find out where is the place. So this is Kabab Al Madina restaurant. I heard a lot about this place. Guys, right now, I'm going to show you something that you've never seen in Dubai. Let me show you what is Nali. Oh God, look at this. Wow. Oh, look at the beef, lot of beef. Nali in Urdu means marrow. So we're going to try Nali biryani. This is Pakistani biryani that they cook with fragrant basmati rice and lot of amazing herbs inside this biryani. But before that, I need to tell you something. This bone marrow was cooked overnight, like more than 6 hours. They need to cook this bone marrow and slow cook with lot of spices. So after 6 hour cooking of bone marrow, then they're gonna add this basmati rice on top of this, and then they're gonna cook it as dum biryani. Dum biryani, it means steam biryani. They're gonna add a lot of charcoal on top of this to get that steamy and delicious. Tumhara naam? Nawab Ali. Nawab Ali. Nawab Ali, Zindabad. Let's go to see the special masala in this kitchen. Oh,
Special masala.
but this is special masala, which is Pakistani masala. Oh, that aroma is coming from this. Oh, really good. Can't wait for it. So how many hours has to cook here? How many hours? Kitna time? 40 minutes. 40 minutes. This has to be on top of the rice. Summer started in Dubai, so you're gonna get very sweaty in kitchen and outside the kitchen. It doesn't really different. Nawab Ali, you're the best. Hi, how are you? Sleep well. Now it's time for revealing this biryani. Oh, all right, guys, we can see this biryani is ready. Look at this. You can see the bone marrow here. Show me the bone marrow. Look at this. This is Nali. Wow. वो खलास हो गया?
शोए बाकी.
बाकी हाँ? Okay. Wow, huge. Okay, now it's time for
Nali.
us to eat.
लेके आओ बॉस. Sit there, boss.
Oh, look at this. Come on. Bhaijan, both shukriya. All right, guys, I'm super excited to try this. So this is Bannu beef pulao. Actually, Bannu is city in Pakistan. Apparently, they are very famous for biryani, and this is their style of biryani. Comes with bone marrow, like huge bone marrow. This is cow bone marrow. You can see it's huge. It's massive. Let me show you another one. Is this big or this? Ooh, super, super hot. So tell me, is this or this? And lot of beef inside this biryani. It's quite different than any other biryani. they was using unique spices that comes from Bannu itself. Can't wait to try this biryani. Chef was adding some marrow for me. Look at this, buttery marrow, guys. This is what you need to try when you come to Pakistani restaurant in Dubai. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna add this on top of my rice. Ho ho! Say it. There's a people watching and they say like, you're doing great. So I ordered as well lassi. Here you can see the salted lassi. भाई हम बोला salt lassi, ये sweet lassi.
Sweet? ये नमकीन है?
Salt lassi चाहिए. ये sweet है.
Sweet है?
There is some chutney here, which comes with yogurt, cumin. Oh, it's cold, which goes very well with this biryani. You need to go a little bit back so you can see everything. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh my God, that was huge. So first we're gonna take this beef and we're gonna add bone marrow. Look at this rice. Adding here some chutney. Oh. Buttery, full of spice, full of flavor. The marrow is so soft and buttery that it's gonna fall apart. You have to hold it very gently. Oh. They are generous with the meat. There's a lot of meat here. Look at this. There's a chili inside. If no chili, I don't eat. In this weather, you need cold chutney, spicy rice, and buttery bone marrow. This is what you need to try in Dubai. Let me know where is your favorite Pakistani restaurant in Dubai and where I can get this type of bone marrow. Let me know in comment, guys. Share this video with your friend or your family, whoever want to come and experience these things. Do let me know what you want to see in my next video. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and see you in another one. Peace. And I need to lick my hand now.